With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I will be sharing with you a simple recipe to bake for your special ones, Lovely Chocolate Cuppies.
Hi everyone, my name is Diana Gale. I'm a professional baking instructor and a recipe book author.
This is a one-bowl recipe, so it is very difficult to go wrong. Simply add everything into the mixing bowl and my two lovely kids will happily help me with the cupcakes. This is also the very first cake I made for my hubby to celebrate Valentine's Day. I hope he still remembers it. Here's a small ingredient that makes a big impression. The vanilla pod contains tiny seeds which give a strong, fragrant taste to your cake, and just a tiny bit is enough. Use an ice cream scoop to fill the cupcake liner to about 2/3 full so it doesn't overflow when you bake it. Put into your preheated oven at 180 degrees, making sure the oven fan is off. Add in icing sugar and mix on low speed first so that the sugar doesn't fly around. And turn to medium speed to mix in properly. Add in more heavy cream gradually for a smoother texture. It's time to pipe it onto the cupcake. Make sure the cupcake has cooled down before you do your piping. Cupcakes are one of the simplest bakes and I always love to get creative with them. Ooh, they look so pretty! Time to take a quick snap of my lovely cupcakes. There you have it, presenting to you my lovely chocolate cuppies. If this is the first time you are baking cupcakes, I'm sure you will be very successful too. Here's wishing everyone a happy Valentine's Day.